Top 8 Superfoods for Ultimate Eye Protection and Vision Recovery. We are able to see the world in all its vivid glory, from the smallest details to the largest landscapes, thanks to the intricate and delicate structure of our eyes. Our perception of the world is greatly influenced by our sense of vision, which goes beyond aesthetics. Our ability to read fine print and navigate busy streets are both impacted by our vision. Understanding the crucial role eye play in our lives emphasizes the need for proactive eye care. The food we eat provides our bodies with the necessary nutrients for a variety of body functions. A particular combination of nutrients is required for the eyes, which are complex organs with unique requirements to function at their best and withstand the effects of aging and environmental stressors. Let's get started. This video explains the symbiotic relationship between our diet and vision, with a focus on foods that act as guardians protecting our eyes and assisting in vision repair. Understanding the role of nutrition in eye health empowers people to make decisions that will ultimately benefit their vision. Top carrots. Carrots' distinctive color is due to beta-carotene, a carotenoid, a class of pigments that gives some fruits and vegetables their vivid hues. Orange carrots stand out as one of the richest sources of beta-carotene in our daily diet. This compound serves as a potent antioxidant protecting cells, including those in the eyes, from damage caused by free radicals by neutralizing these harmful molecules. Hue. Once consumed, the body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is beneficial to our eyes' general health. Carrots are well known for improving night vision, which is one of their many health benefits. For the retina to function properly, vitamin A derived from beta-carotene is necessary. The rod cells in the retina are what allow for vision in low light. A lack of vitamin A can cause night blindness, a condition in which it becomes difficult to see in low light. Eating carrots will guarantee that your diet contains enough beta-carotene, which supports the production of rhodopsin, an eye pigment that is essential for seeing in low light. Beyond vision, carrots improve overall eye health by preventing conditions like dry eyes and encouraging tear production. Tears provide moisture, which is necessary to preserve the surface of the eyes and lessen the discomfort that comes with it. The second fish swimming to the forefront, enhancing fish is a food that is highly praised for having a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. These important fats are not only good for our general health but also for keeping our eyes healthy. Irritation and discomfort can result from dry eyes, a common condition brought on by inadequate lubrication on the surface of the eyes. Fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA acid DHA and eosinoic acid EPA, include salmon, mackerel, and trout. By increasing the quality of tears, these omega-3 fatty acids help to produce more of the necessary components of tears, which help to relieve the symptoms of dry eyes. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, eating fish that contains tears is a natural and efficient way to relieve the discomfort brought on by dry eye syndrome. A variety of nutrients found in fish promote overall eye health. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and vitamin D in fish makes it a powerhouse for protecting the eyes against age-related deterioration. Before we move on, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to show your appreciation. Selenium, a trace element found in many fish, acts as an antioxidant protecting the eyes from oxidative damage. Additionally, fish is a reliable source of vitamin D, which has been linked to a reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Bell received any questions? Post them in the comments section below, and we'll respond. Now, let's continue where we left off with the third egg. Like beta-carotene in carrots, lutein and xanthan are members of the carotenoid family. They are present in the retina in large quantities and function as antioxidants to protect the vulnerable tissues of the eyes from the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Rich sources of lutein and xanthan are eggs, especially the yolks. Consuming these nutrients on a regular basis is linked to a lower risk of conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Macular degeneration and cataracts are common age-related eye disorders that can seriously impair vision. Rich sources of lutein and xanthan in eggs have been associated with a decreased risk of these disorders. The presence of lutein and xenin is beneficial to the macula, a small but important portion of the retina responsible for central vision. These compounds absorb harmful high-energy light waves, reducing the risk of damage to the macula and decreasing the likelihood of macular degeneration. Lutein and xenin also help prevent cataracts, a condition that is characterized by the clouding of the natural lens of the eye, by mitigating oxidative stress and shielding the lens from damage. These compounds, which are found in eggs, are essential to maintaining clear vision as we age. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant and necessary water-soluble vitamin, is also present in bell peppers. Bell peppers are one of the best vegetable sources of vitamin C. They directly strengthen the immune system of the eyes, preventing infections and bolstering the body's defenses against outside threats. Brightly colored bell peppers, like red and yellow, are especially beneficial. Because vitamin C is an antioxidant, it also helps shield the eyes from oxidative stress, which is linked to the development of cataracts and macular degeneration. Oxidative damage causes proteins in the lens to break down, which is how cataracts form. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties help stop this process by scavenging free radicals and lowering the risk of cataract formation. The fifth berry number antolin, a class of antioxidants that give berries their deep hues, has been connected to better night vision. These substances aid in the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment in the eye that is essential for recognizing low light conditions. Berries like blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are rich in anthocyanins, anthos, which can improve your vision in low light. These berries are a delicious and useful way to support your nighttime visual needs. Acuity oxidative stress, which arises from an imbalance between antioxidants and free radicals, can be a factor in a number of ocular disorders. Berries are essential for lowering oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes because of their high antioxidant content. Berries contain antioxidants that help prevent age-related eye problems like cataracts and macular degeneration in addition to fighting free radicals. Berries are a delicious way to protect your eyes from the effects of aging and environmental factors. Number 6. Eat them regularly. Sweet potatoes, the compound that gives them their vibrant orange color, beta-carotene, is transformed by the body into vitamin A. Vitamin A is necessary for preserving the health of the cornea, the transparent front portion of the eye that is vital for focusing light onto the retina. Frequent sweet potato consumption offers a dependable source of beta-carotene, which guarantees a constant supply of vitamin A for optimal corneal function. This, in turn, helps maintain clear vision and prevents diseases like night blindness. Due to its exposure to external factors, the cornea is vulnerable to oxidative stress and ultraviolet radiation damage. The natural shield that vitamin A derived from beta-carotene provides for the cornea, shielding it from potential damage and helping to prevent conditions like corneal ulcers. Beyond the cornea, beta-carotene's antioxidant qualities shield the eyes overall from oxidative stress and age-related degeneration. Nuts and seeds ranked 7. Vitamin E is an essential fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cells, including those in the eyes, from oxidative damage. Vitamin E-rich foods include almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. The retina, a light-sensitive layer in the back of the eye, is especially susceptible to oxidative stress. Vitamin E assists by scavenging free radicals. Protect the retina's delicate structures to help prevent age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related problems. Apart from vitamin E, nuts and seeds are rich in antioxidants, such as zinc and selenium, which combine to fight oxidative stress, which can cause damage and inflammation to the eyes. Certain nuts, such as walnuts, contain omega-3 fatty acids, which further improve the protective effects on the eyes. These fatty acids help to maintain the cellular structure of the eyes and lower the risk of dry eyes and other inflammatory conditions. 8th, broccoli. Due to their high levels of light exposure and environmental influences, their eyes are susceptible to oxidative stress. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants, such as lutein and xenin, and contains vitamin C. It is essential for scavenging free radicals and shielding the eyes from oxidative damage. Broccoli contains large amounts of lutein and xanthan, two antioxidants that build up in the retina and help prevent age-related macular degeneration. These compounds function as a natural defense system, protecting the sensitive eye structures from the damaging effects of oxidative stress, and inflammation can have an impact on aging cataracts, a common age-related condition that is characterized by clouding of the natural lens of the eye. Broccoli's wide range of antioxidants work together to counteract these factors, possibly lowering the chance of developing cataracts. Broccoli's vitamin A content supports overall visual acuity and helps to maintain healthy corneas. Broccoli's antioxidant and nutrient-rich combination makes it a useful tool in the pursuit of total eye health. As we bid you to this video, we are urging you to adopt a balanced and healthful diet because the importance of a nutrient-rich diet goes well beyond the field of eye health. Reverberates well beyond the allure of vivid hues and mouth-watering tastes. Our diets have the ability to influence many aspects of our health, including how our eyes develop. This video focuses on nutrition, but it's important to note that eye care is a multifaceted endeavor. Regular eye exams, safeguards against environmental factors, and deliberate efforts to lessen eye strain all play important roles in maintaining optimal vision. The nutrition discussed here is just one aspect of a larger strategy for eye care. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.